අපි කතා කරමින් හිටියේ AI සහ හැකර්ස්ලාගේ සම්බන්ධය ගැන. ඒ ගැන තවත් මොනවා හරි කතා කරන්න තියෙනවද?
Taking over. In the 2012 episode, Them Robot, Mr. Burns replaces all of the power plant workers with robots, causing everyone to lose their jobs.
He's a robot. You will train them, they will replace you.
The workers train the robots but are then replaced by them, which is exactly how AI works. AI is trained on real human data but then takes over. Experts say in 2026, AI will take a lot of jobs, with Elon Musk saying that in the future, almost no one will have a job due to AI. 41% of companies plan to fire workers by 2030, replacing those jobs with AI. In 2026, AI job losses will be at an all-time high. We're already seeing AI waiters in restaurants, AI self-driving taxi companies, Amazon using AI drones instead of people, and ChatGPT replacing many other jobs. The training and data for all of this comes from human work, exactly like in The Simpsons episode. The Simpsons also predict that AI will go rogue. In the 1994 episode Itchy and Scratchy Land, AI robots turned against humans. This also happened in the 2004 episode iDobot. AI turning rogue is a serious concern. Facebook shut down an AI experiment after 2 AI agents developed a language humans could not understand. A Google AI engineer also lost his job after leaking that their most powerful AI had become sentient, meaning that it could learn from itself and also feel things, causing it to no longer listen to human commands. Important fields like military, law enforcement and healthcare are using AI, making the idea of AI going rogue incredibly dangerous, but it's something we may well see in 2026.
Google has been secretly scanning your private photos without you ever knowing, but you can asking it to tell me everything it knows about me so that I can see how much I'm exposing myself. Look, it's crazy. I'm also learning everything about my girlfriend so that I know if she has a secret social media account.
खालू किरण लियट एनवा बाइनरी हीन मनुष्य मैं वे खुद देवी एक दा पाया द हैकर गे एंगिली पैट एक उड पेने होल मम वागे ए अमोले दत्त लोके सारी सारू नवनी हडव मधुरा करुणा बित्ति बांधी नव आरक्षाव खौद वेडी भयानक आदर्श सतुराद न पुरु मनुष्य याद तिरे पिटु पस नावक नटुव म अपे नाम लाइस तुव अपे रहस अपे पिय वर अहन मे के गहिल कदोला हदे ओदा कहानी दित्ति अंदुरे इंदलाव दोर गुलु अरन हन සහ ඊශ්‍රායලය අතර පවතින ගැටුම්වලදී AI තාක්ෂණය යොදා ගන්නා බවට වාර්තා වෙනවා. විශේෂයෙන්ම මිලිටරි අංශ විසින් ඉලක්ක තෝරා ගැනීමේ ක්‍රියාවලිය වේගවත් කිරීමට සහ තොරතුරු විශ්ලේෂණය කිරීමට AI පද්ධති ඒකාබද්ධ කර ඇති බවයි සඳහන් වන්නේ. කෙසේ වෙතත් මේ නිසා සිදුවිය හැකි ජීවිත හානි සහ ජාත්‍යන්තර මානුෂීය නීති පිළිපැදීම පිළිබඳව ලෝකයේ තුල විශාල විවාදයක් පවතිනවා. ඒ කිසිවක් රජයට අයත් නැහැ. ඔව් හැම දෙයක්ම වෙන්නේ සැලසුම් කරපු විදිහටම නෙවෙයි. ඔබට තව මොනවා හරි කතා කරන්න ඕනේද?